In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom font in Gmail in just 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming to add a personal touch to your emails or simply want something different from the default look, changing the font is a quick and easy way to do that. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your Gmail account. You'll want to make sure you're logged into the account where you want to customize the font. Once you've done that, you'll see your inbox in front of you, along with all the familiar options and features. Now, if you look towards the upper right corner of the screen, you'll notice a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This is your gateway to tweaking how your Gmail looks and behaves, and it's from here that we can access the option to change your font. When you click on the gear icon, a drop down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select the option that says See All Settings. This choice opens up the full settings menu where you can find an array of customizable features. It's almost like opening a toolbox for your Gmail. Once you're in the settings menu, make sure you're on the General tab, which is usually selected by default. But if it's not, just click on General and you'll be right where you need to be. Scroll down the page until you find the section called Default Text Style. This is where you'll choose your new font. In the Default Text Style section, list of options will be available to you. Here you can play around with different fonts, sizes and colors until you find the combination that suits your personal or professional style. Remember, the font you choose will set the tone for your emails, so pick one that matches the impression you want to give, whether it's formal, casual or creative. After selecting your preferred font settings, don't forget the crucial last step, scrolling down to the bottom of the page and clicking Save Changes. This is essential because without saving, your adjustments won't take effect, and you'll need to start the process all over again. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've customized your Gmail font, adding a personal touch to every email you send. It's all set and ready for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching and happy emailing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your tech tools.